part 3 of our converting from degrees and decimals to degrees, minutes, and seconds, ABC. So in our last video, we talked about how we can make these conversions by hand using fractions and conversions between different fractions. Here, we're going to use our calculator. The first way we can do this is really just a calculator version of what we did by hand. And what we're going to do is we're going to add these together as fractions. Well, 342 is just going to work as our whole degree, and we're going to add to that some fractions. I recommend using parentheses here, but 7 over 60 will be our first fraction. That's how many minutes we have. And we want to add seconds as well. That's going to be 9 divided by 60 times 60, which is 3,600. When we hit enter, it'll give us our decimal equivalent. So that's our first option if I want to convert, just using those fractions with the equivalent denominators, right? Minutes are 1/60th of a degree, seconds 1/60th of a minute. So we can just use those fractions. The other way we can do this is we can enter this angle directly into our calculator using degree, minutes, and seconds symbols. So we're going to start by typing in 342. And the way that we can get to our degrees and minutes symbol is in our angle menu. You can see here it is right above that apps button. So I'm going to hit second apps, and you can see our first option is that degree symbol. So I'm going to choose that. Then I'm going to type in my minutes. I have 7 minutes. Again, I'm going to go to my second apps button. That gets me to my angle menu. And option 2 is that apostrophe that we use to denote minutes. Finally, we have 9 seconds, and this one's a little different. For some reason, it's not included in the angle menu. It is included on the main screen in green here. You can see right above the plus key. So we have to hit our green alpha key and the plus key to get our seconds. When I hit enter, it will make that conversion to decimals, and you can see it's identical to what we did above. Finally, we can go in the other direction as well, and we're going to use this angle here, negative 43.2076, and we're going to convert that to degrees, minutes, and seconds. So negative 43.2076 is going to get entered into our calculator. And now we're going to go to our angle menu. Second apps, and if you look at option 4, it is an arrow with DMS. That is telling us that we will convert to degrees, minutes, and seconds. So we hit the enter key on option 4, and we hit enter one more time, and there you can see it gives us an answer in degrees, minutes, and seconds. In this case, we ended up with negative 43 degrees, 12 minutes, and 27.37 seconds. So those are our ways that we can work with our calculator to help convert between degrees, minutes, and seconds, and degrees in decimals. Thanks, everybody.